What? Oh, that's so funny. I wonder why Twitch. Oh, I guess Twitch is okay. Okay, I suppose it's fine now. Anyway, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, boys and girls. How are we all doing today? Yes, that's exactly right. We are back to. I don't know. As sponsored by our architecture and design lobby, we are going to continue our attempt at playing with Blender. And oh, hello. Okay, this is fine. And we're going to see how this works, right? I wanted snap to grid. Snap. Oh, wait, what? Selection to grid. Selection to cursor. I don't know what that means. Well, that's the thing, right? Oh, that's the wrong button. Like, that's the thing. Like, I don't have time to actually play with this, so I'm sort of in this weird scenario right now where where's my cube? Move. Do I not have two cubes? I thought I had two. What? Oh no, that's not it. Okay. So I want to duplicate this cube. How do I duplicate object? Shift D. Alt D. Let's try that. Alt. Oh, and my D is all the way over there. So. But that's not snappy, right? That's not a snapping thing. Oh, there we fantastic. Okay, so we can do this. Yeah. Okay. So then if I want to do this and I want to go, oh, we'll just pop one underneath it. Fantastic. Okay. Well, that's the issue though, right? It's exactly that issue. It's that I have to actually, oh, that's not the right button at all. I have to actually learn Blender, and given my timing, obviously it's a little bit difficult. But you know, we'll make do. Oh, that's the camera. That's okay. So see, fantastic. We have ourselves. Oh, that's not it. I want to do a selection, right? Select bar. Can I duplicate that and oh, I can't duplicate that like that. Okay. Where is it? I can go up here, but I can't put it up there because there we go. Can we put? Yeah, there we go. Okay. No, it's just me playing with the system. I'm still trying to figure out how I can do things. So, say I wanted to duplicate this, right? And I wanted to sort of like stack on top of. Oh, but once I start moving these objects, it's not movable. Like I have to zoom in a little bit, place my camera in the correct direction, and then do the duplication, and then say, no. Try to work out which hotkey this should be. No, oh, that's definitely not the right hotkey. I got it to. You guys saw it though. Like, you saw me being able to do it. Okay, hold on. Let's get rid of that. Excellent. We'll duplicate this. No. I'm here and I want to go in the Z direction. Which button? No? Oh, right. There we go. Okay, we've placed that. That was the middle mouse key button. Okay, fantastic. But no, this is good. So Muses can't work software to save his life. I don't think that's true, especially coming from someone who. What is going on with Twitch today? Oh, hold on. Oh, it's my yeah. Okay. I get it. You know what? That's possibly an issue. Okay, I am mildly apologetic to our Twitch viewers because I'm trying something out on noise gating, and so we are going to just deal with it. Update both NVIDIA video and audio STK. Okay, I'll do that afterwards. Let's do that. I'm gonna. So, what time are we at? We are at 6 minutes and 16 seconds. 6:16, switching from noise gate to noise suppression in OBS. Oh yeah, actually, you know what? Let me just do that real quick here in. I'm just gonna plop in noise suppression 4. Yeah, okay, that'll be fine. I just need to remind myself. Where's my sticky notes? Sticky notes. I will admit, in some like small way, I really like the Microsoft Sticky Notes app, but it doesn't actually work that well, which is like, or no, it doesn't work cross-platform in a way that I can consistently use it. If it did, I think I would. I genuinely would. It would be fantastic. But unfortunately, Microsoft, as much as it's committed to open source, blah blah blah, it's obviously not. Update NVIDIA. Like, so here's let me take a detour real quick to talk about Microsoft and Satya Nadella, okay? Because my boy Satya and I are tight now. Oh my, let's spell Microsoft. There we go. Okay. So, comment on Microsoft. For the past few years, Microsoft actually, like from a tech perspective, has been doing interesting and even almost admirable things. Oh, that is terrible. Okay. It has been doing interesting and admirable things in that they've been sort of trying to show that they are committed to open source, that they want to help the open source community and all of that good stuff. And I would have loved that. We could do that, like, yes, let's do that. Okay. We'll do buildings like this. I would have loved it if they did, right? Like, genuinely, I would have. But there we go. They did it in such a way that is just not exactly not what we are looking for. And obviously Microsoft is a gigantic organization, right? And so even with my boy Bill and then Steve at the forefront of it, they tried really hard, but obvious for I think sort of self-evident reasons. Oh wait, let's do that first, and then for self-evident reasons, even though they tried really hard, it wasn't something that they were very good at controlling, right? And so that's perfectly reasonable. Oh wait a second, I remember. I need to answer this message. Give me one quick second. Okay. And yeah, so like there was a certain amount of organizational inertia that was extant, that meant that no matter how well they tried, they wanted to. Oh, that's not. There we go. So see, everything is kept on the same plane. Oh no, hold on. What I wanted actually to do, let me put down this building, is actually I wanted to there was a terrain generator that I wanted to see if I could pull up. Let me see. Do you guys see the menus? Yes, you do see the menus. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the Blender for a moment, just as I data preview. No, that's not it. Edit preferences. Am I all over the place this morning? I am sorry for that. 3D view, 3D navigation, 3D measure it. VR, not interesting. Curve tools, fantastic. Extra objects. Sapling tree generation, fantastic. Landscape, I think it was landscape that I wanted. Yes, I think so. Essentially, it uses a noise generation to generate interesting landscapes. Motion capture, I don't need that. FBX format. Oh, you can import AutoCAD DXF. Okay, that's interesting. Import STL, fantastic. Don't need that. Interface. Amaranth toolset, collection manager, dynamic brush menus, fantastic. Not interesting. Mesh, TinyCAD node, align. Oh, align tools, fantastic. Oh, what is this? Is this align tools? Ah, okay, that's good. Yeah, maybe I should have explored this earlier, shouldn't I have? Okay, let me turn Blender back on. Yes. Oh, you guys can't see this window anyway. Okay, well, whatever. Carver, don't need that. Object colors, grease pencils. Real snow, fantastic. Paint palettes. I don't need render. I don't need that. Blender ID authentication. UV. Okay, we don't need any of that. Fantastic. Let's see what real snow does. Let's add snow to this face. Do I need to go to edit mode to select faces? I don't know what that just did, but that is definitely wrong. Oh, that was an extrusion, I think. Let's select this face. Oh, there's no real snow anymore. Okay. Object mode. Real snow. Add snow. Snowball. Where is it? Hello? Coverage height. Just gonna delete these lights. No, there was no snow. Oh, I see. Is that the snow? Hold on. Let's zoom in it. Oh. Excuse me. Why can't I? I'm so confused. Okay. Okay, so scrolling now works again. I don't know why scrolling wasn't working before. Anyway, that's fine. Delete that. Don't know what I just deleted. That's okay. Oh my god, so many messages. We were gonna play with something else. Create, edit. Landscape. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. I was gonna do a land. Oh, right. Anyway, so what I want to. Oh, that's not. Excuse. What? Hold on. Something's not right. Something's mildly. Would that just like vertices? Yeah, that would just lop off like that part of the landscape. Oh, okay, okay. Well, I mean, the landscape is a bunch of vertices, yes. So let's take that, delete that. Item create landscape. Oh, I did that wrong again. Mesh size. Let's give that a size of like. Let's see, how much can my computer tolerate? Because you can imagine, right? Like this is actually kind of nice, and so if we could make it kind of big, let's say 200. I can't fucking type 200 by 200. Generate. But I can zoom out. Oh, I can zoom out. Okay. And obviously this new mesh is quite shallow, and so we need to give it subdivisions. Maybe we should do like 200 256 by 256. Regenerate. Oh, that's that kind of subdivision. Okay, good. Landscape noise. Hetero terrain, that's fine. Depth 8. Dimension. What if this were 200? I'm just depth 16. Okay. You can see the ripples in here, right? Yeah. Dimension, offset Y, offset X. That's not what I'm looking for. Height. There we go. So let's put this height at, how much is that? That's 200 by 200. So let's put the height at 50. 60 is fine. Do we get anything? I have no idea what that is. Okay. Oh wait, that's the wrong button. Come on. How's my voice, by the way? It's not so bad, okay? There are reasons why. Oh my god. Click the wrong button. Can you guys see my mouse actually? You can't, right? No, so I think Blender has actually died on me. Oh, that's probably not a good thing. Well, so what I was going to say is, if we can generate a nice sort of mountain topography, and then we can build our city on top of it. And the good thing about that is that, you know, like, it doesn't have to be all these individual objects. We could theoretically, you know, construct the height map based on what we want. And then we will merge those objects, and then we will create a nice little sort of like a city type thing, right? And of course, I mean, yeah, I'm gonna let Blender try to see what it does. I think this is frozen. so we're going to just close it. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Okay, let's restart it. What time was that? That was... Oh, 6. That was what time were we at? We were at 20 minutes, right? Muses fails Blender. There we go. Oh, actually, yeah. Oh, wait, okay. It turns out it's fine. I need to set it at... Oh, that's the wrong button. Okay. That's fine, that's fine. Let me just load the project to recover last session. Oh, okay. Well, that's lovely, but, you know, that's fine. Huh. Hold on. I'm trying to recover Blender, but it's not allowing me to. There we go. Okay. Good. Fantastic. Let's pull that down a little bit. Great. Pull that over a little bit. Fantastic. A little bit down. Good. Okay. So obviously everything we just did failed. Let me just double check that my add-ons are on. Okay, we're going to turn off Blender. Such is my life. This is just my life. Add-ons. Okay, let me turn back on Blender. Oh, my add-ons all died. Okay, well, fantastic. Curve tools, extra objects, sapling, simplify curves, and let Archimesh. Oh right, I want this, right? Yeah. Because this actually generates doors and stuff. That's fantastic. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Animation. I don't need the pose library. I don't need that. I don't need FBX format. Fantastic. You know, actually, something to consider as well is next time, if we want to edit mesh tools. Excuse me. Line tools. Real Snow didn't work, did it? That's okay. We'll figure out next time. What was I going to say? I was going to say, next time we do Muses, we can, I think we can actually import, you know, I'm pointing at my own face, but only a few of you can see that. We can actually do something about this face, like via importing it into Blender, and then you know, like we can actually change the meshes themselves. And for example, you know, obviously my waist is a little bit thinner than this, etc. What is this? PDT, pivot point. Okay, poly something. Wait from slope archimesh. Oh yeah, this is, look, we can add Japanese curtains, I think. Are those curtains? Maybe. I have no idea. Oh yeah, look, curtains. Fantastic. Okay, let me just get rid of that. Oh. Okay, we'll get rid of that. We'll get rid of that. Fantastic. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's okay. So let's put it in a door. See? Fantastic. It's a door. And this is... Oh, that's not what I want to do. And just so we understand, this is actually to scale, right? So this is what? This is... I need to hit the N button. Do I? Oh no, I need to go up to item. Right, so you see this is 1 meter... 2 meters tall, 1 meter wide, and 0.24 meters deep, right? And that's great. And that just means, like, whenever we need a door, we can plop in a door. But of course, having said that, we are not actually doing this. So, let's let's do landscape first. See, that is a nice landscape. I want this just like... Oh, I wonder if I can scale this. Yeah, what if I just scale this by, let's say, 200 in the X direction, 200 in the Y direction, and 10 in the Z direction. Does that work? Ah, okay, okay. So if I were to scale this 50 in the Z direction, see? Okay, okay, this is much easier. And then we have our mountain, right? How lovely is that? To answer the question, very lovely, right? So this is the mountain, and then we could essentially build whatever we want around here with our cube, which happens to be over there, which I'm going to bring via the G button over here. And see, that's our 1 meter by 1 meter. Oh, that definitely is not where I want to bring it. Let's bring it up here. There we go. So that's our 1 meter by 1 meter cube. This is our mountain mesh. In fact, let's do 300 in this direction, 300 in that direction, while keeping the height basically the same. And what that really does is it makes the mountain range actually. Let's do 500. Okay. So like it makes them. Oh, I don't have the draw distance. Oh, that's fantastic. I didn't even realize I would run into draw distance issues. Okay, I need to look this up 1 second. Blender draw distance. View properties. View properties in 3D. Where's view? Viewpoint? No. Go to view in 3D view. Am I in 3D view? Area. Viewer node. I'm so confused. Viewpoint. Navigation. View regions. No. Hold on. Edit. Oh, this is from 2008. That's probably not going to work. Let's see. Anytime result in the past year. From site. Clipping distance. Clip starts, clip end. guys, no. No, that's align tools. Viewport display. Right? Like, you can see that, right? It just clips off over there. So that's definitely not what we want. Visibility. Acceptable, blah, blah, no. Material properties, object data, constrained. Particle. I don't think it's in force field. I'm just gonna put that out there. Missed viewport display, color, no. Custom properties, no. Volume, no. Can I just note that the agriculture and interior design lobby is incredibly efficient. I am super impressed by what they're doing, right? Like it's just I like they are being super successful in advertising for themselves. I think a lot of ULOT could learn from this. In fact, In fact, whoever came up with this idea, or whatever groupthink came up with this idea for the architecture and interior design lobby, they understood their target market perfectly. Okay, perfectly. What time is it? 30 minutes. Muses Praises the AID lobby because wow. Look at the way that their target audience is making fun of me. Isn't that fantastic? Like they are having the time of their lives. And that's fascinating. Oh, in the view view log, clip start, clip end. Ah, okay. Let's say this is 5,000. Bam. Done. Okay. All right. No, this is great. This is great. So this is now a gigantic mountain range, right? It's not too complex. It's got little peaks and troughs. It's got a little basin, and I'm going to need to find my cube. And you see our cube is just like hanging out over there. Let's bring that bad boy down here. Now it's just a floating cube over here. And the idea now is we can actually build, you know, say like if I wanted to build a wall along this edge, right? If I wanted to just use cubes to do so, I could very well do so, right? Let me save this real quick. Can you guys see the save dialog? No, okay. Save Blender file. And so, congratulations to us. Congratulations to Muses. We have figured this out. And so what we will do next time that this is sponsored is we will try to build something. Like this tiny cube, right? And it's supposed to be tiny for a reason. So this is actually fine. Let's see, this item itself is 1,000 meters by 1,000 meters by 190 meters. I don't know if this is scale. Let's see. Yes, it is scale. Okay, so 500. There we go. It is 1,000 meters by 1,000 meters, so it's 1 kilometer square. Actually, we might want to. Well, we'll start with this. If it ends up working out, then we can sort of we can do it with we can restart it with a bigger mesh, you know, with a nicer mesh, and go from there, right? But as it is, I think this is a nice mesh that we generated. It's not too complex, but it's got, you know, mild features that we can use. And then we'll plop some buildings on top of that, and we'll go from there. Fantastic. Thank you very much for watching. Now, in conclusion, please download Firefox, please don't do Chrome. And yes, I do have another meeting I have to run to. And yes, they have been waiting outside for me. See, I just want to point out something, actually, before we end. This person that I'm meeting right now, who is actually listening to me and waving at me, thank you for being kind. Thank you for being just a good person to work with. I very, very much like working with this person. What time is it? 33:30. Muses Praises is next meeting for being a pleasant person to work with, and therefore making things super efficient and effective. Nothing but praise for my next meeting. Fantastic. He got a thumbs up. He gave me they got a thumbs up. Doesn't matter. He gave me a thumbs up in return. All good. I'll see all of you tomorrow. Yes. Wink. Ow.